we are going to discuss about what is a variable. Okay, so the variable first we will discuss about what is a variable, in which case we are going to use the variable names. Okay, so we already know that whatever may be the value, let us take it is a 10 or 20 or 10.5 or some characters like star, dollar, and whatever the other characters like 0 is a character, 1 is a character, 2 is a character, 3 is a character, and every letter on a keyboard, okay, every letter on a keyboard is a character. Okay, try to understand, every letter in a keyboard is a character. So in order to store all these values, actually we are using the variable for the purpose of storing all these kind of values. Where you are going to store these values? You are going to store these values in the memory, is it or not? So we are going to store all these values, whatever that is, enter from the keyboard into the memory. So whenever you say memory, the memory is nothing but the RAM, that is the random access memory, which is also called as the main memory. Okay, so let us try to understand what is a variable. Okay, let us take this as a RAM and divide the RAM into multiple sections or multiple parts, different smallest parts. This is the first part. Let us say this is the first location, second location, third location, fourth location. Similarly, this is the fifth location, this is the sixth location, seventh location, eighth location, it will go on. Okay, so here you have to understand this location number. We are calling in C language this location number as a address. We are calling this location number as a address. So what is the address of this part? The address is nothing but 4. What is the address? 4. So address is something like 4. The location number, that is the fourth location number, right? We are calling it as an address. So what is an address? Address is nothing but the location number. Okay, so what I am trying to make you understand is, so this location has a location number, right? So what I mean to say is, can we give some name to this location, just like A, B, C or whatever? Let us give one name like A to this location. This particular location, I am giving it as a name as A. Okay, so this is nothing but a variable. This is nothing but a variable. Now from this discussion, can we define a variable from this example? Yes, we can define the variable in such a way. A variable is nothing but name given. A variable is nothing but name given to which we have given the name. To the memory location 4, we have given this name, right? So I can say that this variable is nothing but the name given to memory location. So what is the definition? So there is no need to memorize the definition, just try to understand the definition. The name given to the memory location is called as variable. Is called as what? Is called as variable. The name given to the memory location is called as a variable. right? So simply we can understand that whenever a RAM is divided into a number of locations and each location has a name, has a number. This location number is there 1 2 3 4 like that, and this location number we are calling it as a address. Okay, and for this location number, let us say 4, I am giving a name like a, so this we are calling it as a variable. So by this discussion we can define a variable as nothing but